Hello and welcome to our comprehensive review of Descript, the cutting-edge software transforming the way we edit audio and video content. Whether you're a podcaster, a video creator, or just someone who loves exploring new tech, stick around as we dive into what makes Descript a game-changer in digital content creation. First, let's talk about Descript's core feature, its transcription service. Imagine uploading your podcast or interview, and within minutes, you have an accurate transcript. This isn't just convenient, it's a massive time saver for professionals and hobbyists alike. But here's where it gets really interesting. Descript allows you to edit your audio and video files simply by editing the transcript text. Want to cut a segment? Just delete the text. It's editing made incredibly intuitive. Next up, the overdub feature. Ever recorded something and realized you mispronounced a word? With overdub, just type in the correction, and Descript blends it seamlessly into your original recording, matching your voice tone. And for those pesky filler words that slip into every speech, Descript offers an automatic removal tool. Ums and uhs can be a thing of the past with just a click. Descript isn't just about audio. Video creators, you'll love the green screen effect and background replacement features. You don't even need an actual green screen. Descript takes care of it, bringing professional-level editing to your home studio. Now, let's address audio quality. With the Studio Sound feature, Descript improves your audio by reducing background noise and enhancing voice clarity, perfect for those without high-end recording setups. Jump cuts and word gap shortening are also a breeze. Descript automatically identifies and removes long pauses, streamlining your content for a more engaging listening or viewing experience. While Descript is a powerhouse, it's not without its downsides. Being cloud-based means you're reliant on a stable internet connection. And while the transcription service is generally accurate, it can sometimes miss the mark, requiring your keen eye for detail. In terms of pricing, Descript is pretty accessible. There's a free version for beginners, and more feature-rich subscriptions for the pros. It's designed to fit a variety of budgets and needs. To sum it up, Descript is revolutionizing the way we approach audio and video editing. Its intuitive, text-based editing system is a standout, saving time and making content creation more accessible than ever. While it has its limitations, the benefits are undeniable, making it a must-try for any content creator. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.